In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a background image to a hero, section or page in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and select the hero section, page section or element where you want to add the background image. Open the Style panel, scroll to the Background section and click the Add Background icon. Choose Image, then upload or select the image you want to use. Set the background size to cover so the image fills the entire area. Adjust the position and repeat settings if needed to achieve the best look. If you're creating a full screen hero section, set the section's height to 100 VH so the background fills the entire viewport. Preview your website to make sure the background image displays correctly on different screen sizes. Then publish your website. That's how to add a background image to a hero, section or page in Webflow. Thanks for watching.